In this video, I will show you how to make your Steam account private. This should be a quick and easy process to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, to make your Steam account private, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Steam and log into your account. And once you've done that, what you want to do is come up to your profile name just up here, hover over this to bring up this menu, and what you want to do is come down and click onto profile. Once you're on your profile page, you're going to see things about your profile, so your recent activity and things like that, and this is because my profile is currently public. To change to private, what you want to do is come over to the right and you're going to see this edit profile button. Go ahead and give that a click, and on the next screen what you want to do is come across to this menu on the left hand side and come down to the privacy settings section. Go ahead, give that a click. This way you can come to make your profile private. As you can see currently, as mentioned, my profile is currently set to public. To change to private, all you need to do is simply click onto public here. As you can see, there is an option to change to private. So if we give that a click, as you can see, that's going to change all these sub items to private as well. So things like our games details, friends list, inventory, and a couple of other things. So you can also control these individually as well. So to do that, if you come back up to my profile, change this back to public. And for example, if we wanted to keep our game details public, but we just wanted to make our friends list private, we would click onto here next to friends list and change this to private. And you can repeat that for your inventory, game details, and who can post comments on your profile. So that is how to make your Steam account private. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.